friends, and my all teachers. Today, my name is Tanu Hans. I am studying 5th class. Today, I will make a cake. I will make cook without fire cake. So, I have some ingredients. This is a milk, and this is a chocolate syrup. This is almond, and this is a 2 or 3 breads. I will put the milk. Then I will put a chocolate syrup. I will put chocolate in center. And I will put almonds. So my cake is ready. This is a delicious cake. Thank you.